Hi everyone, I'm Erin Nicole, and today we're going to talk about 5 best-selling mascaras from L'Oreal Paris. I'm going to demonstrate each one, show you a close-up of the end result. We're going to talk about the wands, the formulas, the benefits. That way you know which one is best suited for your lash type. We have the Telescopic Original Mascara, Voluminous Original Mascara, Voluminous Panorama Mascara, Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, and Paradise Big Deal Mascara. Let's begin with the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Original Mascara. This is the ultimate mascara for intense length and precise separation. It has a washable formula designed to enhance lashes to appear up to 60% longer. Fragrance-free, ophthalmologist tested, and safe for sensitive eyes and contact wearers. Now this is a great mascara wand. I like a wand that's a little bit thinner. That way you can get really close to the base of the lashes without accidentally poking yourself in the eye and smudging it all over the place. You get great separation, no clumping, and this wand is also really great for getting the lower lash line as well. This mascara is really best suited for anyone with straight or short lashes, but I will tell you, it's one of my all-time favorites. I'm using shade Blackest Black. It goes on so easily. The formula is really creamy and smooth. I always like to do a little wiggle motion whenever I apply mascara. I like to apply to the top and the bottom, and then I always do a little flick right at the outer corner to create a very elongated sort of cat eye effect. The before and after is incredible. You can see just how easily I was able to coat the entire lash hair from base to tip. Absolutely incredible mascara. Now let's take a look at the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original Mascara, the classic icon for buildable volume and everyday wear. It has ingredients like panthenol and ceramide R to condition and protect lashes, keeping them soft and healthy over time. A lightweight formula that acts as a primer and allows full control for building up volume. The wand is full and uniform, slightly tapered at the end. This mascara is best suited for anyone with thin or sparse lashes, or anyone who just wants to enhance their natural lashes without looking too heavy. The texture of this formula is very plush and feathery, and the end result is really up to you. Fun fact, this mascara was actually in my makeup bag when I was a competitive dancer and cheerleader growing up decades ago. It might even be the first mascara I ever wore consistently. There's a reason it's still a bestseller. Just look at this before and after. She's timeless. Perfect every single day, and that's why this is in a lot of people's top drawer. Next, let's take a look at the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Panorama Mascara. This is a newer love for me. It gives that very striking fanned out effect. This formula has a bit of stretch to keep lashes soft and full, clump and flake resistant. It wears beautifully for up to 24 hours with a lightweight feel. Now this wand has it all. It's tapered so you can use the tip to get those inner lashes that are hard to reach. The bristles are straight and not too long, so it acts as a comb to reach every single hair, and that's why you get that 360-degree volume effect. Now this mascara is for those of us who love a little drama, and who doesn't? I love how it covers the entire lash line, corner to corner. I have to tell you, this is currently sitting in my top drawer. It's one of my all-time favorites. You can layer and build it up if you really want to, but it's kind of unnecessary. In fact, I can usually apply to both eyes without having to dip the wand back into the tube. Just look at that end result, the before and after. Falsies wear, just a stunning mascara. Now this is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, the People's Princess. Universally loved for its fragrance-free, gentle formula with sensitive eyes in mind. It's meant to give you lush volume and a dramatic effect that lasts up to 24 hours. The formula is infused with floral oil to help condition lash hairs. The wand is ultra soft with wavy bristles. You have a slight hourglass shape, so it will fit nicely with the natural curvature of the eye. It's best suited for anyone looking for dense, fuller looking lashes. This is going to give you a ton of volume very quickly. It's a thicker formula. You don't have to build it up too much, and it gives that very soft, feathery look, which I absolutely love. If you're one of the lucky ones that naturally has very thick, dense lashes, you are absolutely going to love this mascara. The Lash Paradise will be for you. Let's take a look at the before and the after. There's no question why this is a bestseller. And finally, we have the L'Oreal Paris Paradise Big Deal Mascara. The key difference here is with the customization. This mascara is so buildable without getting clumpy. No matter how much you layer, you can achieve any desired lash result. It has a self-smoothing complex to keep the formula lightweight. You know I love a good comb, and this wand features a cross-conic brush to ensure every lash is evenly coated for max impact. This is a hybrid model. There's a slight hourglass shape, it's slightly tapered at the end, you have different length bristles going on, it's really innovative. If you want to keep it more natural, you can go in with just one coat, you're going to get a ton of separation. And then if you like the idea of building up a little drama, you can keep going and it's just going to get a little bit bolder, never clumpy, never messy. It still looks more natural-ish, but full glam. You get all of the drama without the fuss, and this is the final result. Absolutely beautiful. I have had so many people recommend this mascara to me. I finally tried it, so it's a relatively recent discovery. I absolutely love it. Now that you've seen all 5 bestsellers in action, hopefully you have a better idea of which one is best suited for your lashes. Honestly, I don't think you can go wrong with any of them. It's way too difficult to choose one single favorite. They all serve a different purpose. They'll meet different moods, different occasions, and you may decide on more than one formula to create a lash wardrobe. And there you have it. If you want to learn more about these products and find out where to buy, head to l'orealparisusa.com. Links are below.